Situated on a large and private canyon lot, this beautifully landscaped yard will not disappoint.
And whether you're enjoying that early morning sunrise with a cup of coffee or gathering around the fireplace, this is a perfect space to create those lasting memories. We are located on one of Bressi Ranch's premier streets, and you can walk from Bressi Village to your front door in under 5 minutes.
Welcome to 6324 Montecito Drive. We're excited to show you this beautiful home. Let's go in and take a look.
What I love about this formal living room is that it's versatile. We've seen some people use this as an office by adding doors over here, or maybe even a playroom, and it leads right out to your private courtyard.
One of our favorite features with this floor plan is you have a full bedroom bathroom ensuite downstairs.
And for added convenience, we have the laundry down, and we have a massive 4-car garage for all your storage needs. And as a bonus, the solar is 100% fully owned.
And this grand dining room has incredibly high ceilings. It is the ideal gathering place to enjoy meals with friends and family for holidays or other special occasions.
The focal point of the kitchen is this large island with quartz countertops. And we have on-trend cabinetry, a built-in refrigerator, custom backsplash, and an eat-in breakfast nook.
We love how the beautiful kitchen flows seamlessly into this large and open great room. And at the top of the stairs, you have this fantastic tech center that is great for work from home or a study area for kids.
At the front of the home, we have 2 bedrooms that share a bath. And over here, we have this large loft that's perfect for a teen room or a bonus room. And adjacent to that is an additional bedroom with ensuite bath.
This beautiful primary suite is light and bright and offers gorgeous hillside views. With charming curb appeal and a quintessential porch swing, this is the perfect place to watch your kids play or unwind at the end of the day.